Okay, it's June 14th, 2023. This is a 2019 Toyota Corolla. It's red. You can see here, I've done this portion. Basically, I've still got a dent. There's a dent over here that you can't see because it's the lights up too high. There's a dent right here. Then I'm gonna glue pop. There you go. You see it right there. I'm gonna glue pop it because I can't get to it very well, and I probably the one next to it I got to it, it's not coming out like I want it to. But you can see here, this is I did half of this trunk. I've done half of this trunk, and then you can see you roll across here, and then you get to about halfway, and then you start seeing the dents. And so and I've gotten almost half of it done. It's taken me a good amount of time to do it. It's taken me probably an hour and something to get to here. So, but it's coming out great. It's coming out. It's really, really soft metal, and I'm very happy with the quality of the work. And it'll look beautiful again when I get done with it. And so yeah, it was a mix. It's dime, nickel, quarter, and $half, but it's not real deep on it. Wasn't real deep on the panel, so it wasn't really. You can see there the lights. You can see the lights over. That's even more detailed. You can see. So, and anyway, 2019 Toyota Corolla.